What's up, guys? I fixed it. If you can see, the arm is different. I had a spare arm off another drone that was too long and had the wrong drill hole pattern, so I took it down to the shop and milled it to the right specifications and re-drilled my holes, and it works perfect now. I had to replace another motor though. That's another motor I put on there, and another ESC, because it blowed both of them. The motor was so tight it wouldn't turn, and the ESC was smoked. So I only got one ESC left on this one that I can put on here, and I'll be out. But that's okay, because Matt Fever is sending me some 2306 motors, some Racer Stars, and some ESCs to go on it, I believe. So I'm stoked about that. And I ordered some stuff. Should be in a few days, and so I got a surprise coming. So let's take this thing out and see how it flies.
I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it.
SSO is case sensitive, Joan.
People go out in adverse conditions. They like to get productive in four positions, but they handle computers like they're handling bricks. So I had to come up with a fickety fix. Mil spec temperature and shock resist, and even Chad can't break one.
Hey, that's different.
And still they try to break my zen. Turn it off.
Okay, now turn it on again.
I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it. Now leave me alone. I fixed it.
Your VPN works now. Try it at home.
Without my skills, they be in the dark. I'm killing trouble tickets like Arya Stark, fighting stupidity with skill and agility. And when I'm done, I find my tranquility. Straight up, wait up, hold up, what is this? The #1 X86 in the business. Rapid deployment, wicked security. Gold Cat 6 for signal purity. More caffeine, unlock the door, then back outside to fix some more.
Fear that lives here takes a beating, and careless handling and careless eating. Pour one out for the ones they kill with a non-fat half-calf trackpad spill. So hit the road, get out there, crush it, and drop it, and fling it, and try not to flush it, and back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. It moves so fast, so in case you missed it, you're welcome, yours truly, the guys who fixed it.